Hey guys, little video to present you this time not the fake twins but another tank. You would ask, there's no aquarium, Charles, is it normal? Yeah, because in fact the tank that you maybe already saw is already in the car, because this tank is not supposed to stay here, sadly. It will be, this is a gift and it will be moved today. So it's sad that he's leaving, but it's also something very nice because the one getting this tank will probably, hopefully, enjoy it. So this is I'm doing during the day the video that you can see also the tint, the coloration of the wood, and we were not at all sure to get such kind of deep, maybe you can see it, deep brown, a bit red, and nevertheless you can see the wood shape under it. So technical name of this wood I don't know, but this is the exterior wood that you use normally on the pickup and so on, with waterproof features. This is a different layer in a specific glue, and this is exactly what we change on our own tank to make it a bit nicer. And so the result is quite satisfying, I would say. Good surprise, especially these two colors, the gray alu profile and the dunkel brown of the wood, is quite fitting all together. But this is not the only nice part. I mean, if I open, and I fix it in a very basic way, as you can see. Maybe I can show you with this one. Magnet on the top and little feet on the bottom, with a little plastic to protect the aluminium. Otherwise it's quite aggressive, this screw, because I don't have some specific screw, but basic ones. Up. So you can easily remove all the panel of the meuble, of the support, and this is exactly the point for anybody who would like to maintain or to operate it. It's possible here. Yeah, you can see filter, external filter, Oase, very good one. Very good one, supposedly, because I haven't tested it yet. Two very interesting things. This is here you have integrated heater, so you don't need this material, or you don't need an inline heater integrated, and you can change it, and you can even put it away and close the filter if you want to use your filter with another heater, if you don't trust this one, for example. Or if you want to change defect pieces, you close it and you send it back. The second very interesting stuff, this is, I don't know if I can show it to you directly with one hand. No, I don't think. No. So you have in fact here a pre-filter, and this is a lot of pads. Very easy, you can open it and transport it to clean it without touching the main filter. So it's innovation, I like it. After that, you can see, even if we don't have the system, CO2 system, you have the CO2 bottle is holding here directly, and you can change, you can get it back. The nice thing it is, you see, it's just standing on this alu profile, and this is fine. After that, you have the same easy access on the top and on the side. In fact, you can, of course, open the panel as well. I don't know if you know Red Sea Aquarium. Red Sea Aquarium, they moved to this configuration on the very last edition of the tank. The magnet is very strong here. And I guess they understood that it's that is so easy to access to the tank from any side if you want. So, by the way, here it's interesting. Even if the tank is not there, you have the two output, here and input of the filter. So each time you have a little valve like that, of course. This one you have integrated in theory een counter Rückweg von air. You do understand what I mean. This is just the water shouldn't go away. And here, this is the interesting part, I would say. You have the main return with a CO2 inline injector. Okay, you have a little T, and after that it's going to the tank back, and you can open or close. After that, the permanent system using the T, this is this tubing going here, UV sterilizer, and that go back, and you can here in theory change a bit a slower stream or flow through the UV sterilizer. This is what you need in order for your UV to disinfect properly the water. Okay? But the cool part is, so most of the time it will be open this way. If you want to do a water change, then you open this up, then you take, for example, this guy, up, and then you open this. You can open from the tank directly, or you can use a filter to push even more water through the tubing, and you can understand it is integrated for you to do an easy way water change. And after that, when you finish the water change, it's going in both directions. In fact, you need just a little fitting on your water system. And the little fitting, this is this one, for example. So you see how it's going on. Seamless integrated in your kitchen, for example. And after that, once you use it, in fact, you unplug it, you close the valve and so on, of course, otherwise you get the water everywhere. Tac, 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 et tac. So, this is a nice theory. I'm very curious to see it in real, because of course I haven't tested it yet. And this is the idea of the day, to set the tank up, but just in a space where you can have a water leak without damaging anything, and to test everything, how it's going on. So, that's all for the day, guys. Hope you enjoy, and hope you're going well. Ciao!